Good morning, dear students. Today we can go to the next textbook, that is semester 2 textbook. Okay, then on that our first chapter is division. Okay, then before that I think all of you enjoyed these puja holidays. Okay, then chapter 1, division. What is division? Before that, what is multiplication? Repeated addition is called multiplication. That all of you know that, isn't it? All of you know that multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, then what is division? Division is repeated subtraction. Okay, anybody asks you what's division, then the answer is repeated subtraction is called division. Okay, then uh, it's 8 divided by 2. The sign of division is one line and two dots up and down. Okay, it's the division. Then 8 divided by 2. What is the answer? Okay, you will get the answer from multiplication table. 2 into which number gives 8? 2 into which number? So this number, the second number. Okay, 2 into which number gives 8? Okay, go through the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 into 4 gives 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, I told you that repeated subtraction is called division. Then we can start to subtract. Okay, then 8 minus 2. How much it is? 8 minus 2. You want to write in vertical way? Then it's 8 minus 2. How much it is? 6. Okay, 6. Then what answer we got? 6. Then 6 minus 2. How much it is? Okay, in mind you can calculate. It is 4. Okay, otherwise 6 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's a 4. Then 4 minus 2. It's equal to 2. Then 2 minus 2. It's equal to 0. 2, we subtract 2. Then there is nothing. So it's a 0. Or we studied that a number minus a number equal to 0. Okay. How much time we subtract to get 0? It's one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we take to get 0. Okay. So this 4 is the answer. So division is repeated subtraction. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 8 divided by 2 is 4. Clear? Here all these numbers have some name. What are the names? This 8 is called dividend. This 2 is called divisor. And this 4 is called quotient. Okay? Dividend, divisor, quotient. Repeat that. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay. 8 is called dividend. Okay. The name of 8 is, here I am writing dividend. Dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Okay. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D is, it's a dividend. And this 2 is called divisor. divisor, and this 4 is called quotient. Quotien, quotient. It's called quotient. This 4 is called quotient. 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 Okay. Then here in division we want to study one more name, that is remainder. When we will get this remainder here, this we can in the multiplication table of 2, 8 is there. Okay. Then suppose it's 9. In the table 2 into 5 it's 10. We will study all these things later. Okay. Then 9 divided by 2, we will get the answer 4 and the remainder 1. Okay, the word we will study after. Okay, then you want to study the next word also, it's a remainder. Okay, so these 4 words, it will not come for exam what is the spelling of dividend or divisor like that, but you want to study the spelling of all these names, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, here it's the remainder is not there now. Okay, then dividend, the spelling is D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Then divisor, D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Then quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Okay, then remainder, R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. These are 4 words you want to study. Okay, then how you can study? You can write the backside of the notebook all these words 5 times. Okay, then before that we want to write what's division. Okay, then division is the repeated subtraction. Okay. Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is called division. It's O-N. Okay, I think it's clear for you. Okay, what all are the things we discussed? Division is the repeated subtraction. Okay, then we can use this symbol, one line and up and down 2 dots, that's called it's the division symbol. Okay, then 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Then this 8 is called dividend, this 2 is called divisor, this 4 is called quotient, and one more word we want to study, that is remainder. Okay, then for this example it show that it's a repeated subtraction. Okay, this much you can write into your notebook. Here we got the answer 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. From where we got this answer? From the multiplication table of 2. That is 2 into 4 equal to 8. From this we got 8 divided by 2 equal to 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Okay, it's called, from this multiplication we are getting division facts. Okay, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Then one more we will get 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equal to the remaining, which is that one, 2. Okay, so from this multiplication we can write 2 division facts, that is 8 divided by 2. Then which number remains? 4. Okay, then 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Then the next one, 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Okay, then we can go to some examples in the textbook. Here it is page number 90. exercise 1.1. The first question is 50 into 10, 5 into 10 equal to 50. Then we will get two division facts, that is 50 divided by 10 equal to 5 and 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. Okay, two division facts we will get from here. It's 50 divided by 10 equal to 5 and the next one is 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. Okay, this way you want to complete these questions A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Here the second one also I will tell you. 3 into 7 equal to 21. Then we will get the first division fact that you want to write here. It's a 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. Then the next division fact is 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. Okay. First one, 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. The next one, 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. Okay. Division is a new thing for you. So we can wind up today's class here. You want to study all these things and do the homework also. Then if you have any doubt, you can send the message through WhatsApp. Okay, next class I will clear all your doubts. Okay, then with this we can wind up the class. Okay, then thank you. Have a nice day.